to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see more of me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, then girl, what's up? How your mama and them? Thank you for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so for this video, I did a tutorial on this look, and it's a mauve smoky eye, a little bit sultry. I feel like this look would be perfect if you're gonna be going out for the spring and summertime. I love the eyes because it does have that plum mauve color, and this video is in collaboration with Clinique, so I use some of their products throughout the tutorial. And one of the products that I just really have been loving for the past couple of years is the foundation. So if you guys have been around for a while, then you know that I've been using this foundation on and off for the past 2 years or so, and it's a really great foundation. It gives a really great coverage, so I am going to be featuring this throughout the tutorial, and then also their concealer. So yeah, these two together are just like a match made in heaven. The foundation retails for $29 and is available in 27 different shades, and the concealer is actually $19.50 and it's available in 18 different shades. And you can go to any Clinique location and get a free 10-day supply of either one of these products, and that's just a really easy way to try it out and see if you want to purchase the full size. So yeah, I'm really excited to be sharing these products with you guys. I really love the finish of both of them. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then of course all you have to do is keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by applying some concealer to the eyelids, and this is just going to even everything out and give us a really nice even canvas. And I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer, and this is really nice to use as an eyeshadow base because it is long lasting, so it's really going to just make sure that those eyeshadows stay in place. And I'm actually using shade 14. So now that we have that base on the eyelids, I'm gonna go in with the Violet Voss Mad About You palette, and I love this palette. I love all the different shades in it. It's really gorgeous. So I'm starting off with a very neutral shade, and this one's called Mad Love. I'm just applying this to the crease area. You guys know the drill, just going back and forth like a windshield wiper motion. Now I'm applying the shade Adorbs, and as you guys can tell, it's kind of a mauve purple color. I'm just applying this to the crease to deepen everything up a bit. And I'm gonna go back over everything with a fluffy brush just to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm applying the shade Beloved on the lid area. I'm just using a large shader brush to do this. So I do want to make this a little bit more smoky, so I'm going in with the shade Sweet, which is a dark brown color. It does have a little bit of a mauve undertone, and I'm just applying this color to the outer lid and then also into the crease, but more so the lower crease. And for my lashes, I'm going to use these Icon lashes in the style Trust Issues. Y'all, these are so pretty. They literally add a dose of drama to any makeup look. So moving on to the face, I'm gonna start off with a moisturizer, and this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. So whenever I went to the Clinique counter, I'm pretty sure that the sales lady was telling me that this was a new one or something like that. I don't know. I've tried the Clinique Moisture Surge in the past and I really liked it. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this to start prepping the face for foundation. So now I'm going to apply a primer, and I'm using the Clinique Pore Refining Solution. So what caught my attention about this is it helps with your pores so that they don't look as visible, but it also keeps you matte. So normally what I like to do is kind of do like a double whammy when it comes to the primers, but since this one does 2-in-1, then there's no need for me to have to use 2 different ones. It's a really nice consistency. It rubs in really easily. It's not really thick, so that's nice. So moving on to foundation, I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and this is a 2-in-1, so it has the foundation and the concealer combined. So it's really going to make sure that it gives you full coverage, which is what I prefer, because whenever I do this face, you know, I just want to beat to full capacity. So I always love something that's going to offer full coverage, and this is really nice. I love the applicator of this because it makes it really easy to apply. So this foundation comes in 27 different shades, and I'm using 18 Sand, and I like to use this Morphe Y7 brush to blend everything in. And as you guys can tell, the foundation matches my skin really, really perfectly. And I just love how easily this foundation just blends into my skin. It's like butter, you guys. This is such a great match, and this foundation is not new to my channel. I've actually used it in the past. Been using it off and on for about 2 years now, and it's just beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes, and I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer, and I'm using shade 14 just to give me a more highlighted look. I was going to use shade 20, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do 14 just so it's a little bit more bright under there. So like I told you guys earlier, this comes in 18 different shades, and they do offer a apricot shade for color correcting if you have dark circles. So I'm not applying too much of this concealer because a little bit goes a long way, and I don't really need the coverage because the foundation pretty much gave me all the coverage that I needed, but I'm just going to use this for a highlight. So to be sure that that under eye concealer doesn't crease, I'm gonna set everything with a powder, and this is just a pressed powder by Clinique. Just applying a little bit to my nose to kind of keep that shine down, because that's normally where I get shiny first. And I'm contouring my nose with the Makeup Geek contouring powder, and I'm using the shade Half Hearted. I'm gonna warm the face up with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer, which is like my favorite bronzer of life. And to get my glow on and popping, I'm gonna be using this Oh Darling Skin Finish as my highlighter. Moving back to the eyes, I'm gonna smoke the under eye out a little bit, and I'm going in with that shade Sweet. And for my waterline, I'm using the Ardency In liner. If you guys have not tried this, then get your life, honey. This is by far the best eyeliner that I've ever used on my waterline. I love it. I'm just applying a little bit of mascara to the bottom lashes. And for my blush, I'm using Makeup Geek's Infatuation. I love this blush. It's like a peachy pink shade, but it's not too over the top. And we're gonna finish off this look by applying the lip color. So the liner I'm using is from Bite Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade 040. And for my lips, I'm using Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. Alright guys, so that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in trying the Clinique products, I will have them listed and linked below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!